Hello, everyone. This is Leon for CS411, and this is our final project that is built using Dash Plotly. I am running my dashboard from another computer, but I have the link right here. This project provides a dashboard that aims to explore the most popular research topics, track trends, and access top papers. The target audience for this dashboard are researchers, academics, institutions, or corporations, and aims to facilitate academic and industry collaboration. There are a total of 9 widgets, each with the specific purpose to give users pertinent information to scour the academic world database. At the top, we have these blocks just to give the user an overview of the academic world dataset, which includes the amount of faculty, universities, keywords, and publications. In this block below, all 4 widgets update depending on the keyword provided by the Keyword Explorer. We decided to design these widgets this way because for our intended audience, it makes sense that they would want an overview of all this information pertaining to a specific keyword. Our first widget is publications with keyword and is determined by the Keyword Explorer. How this widget works is that the user types in a keyword to research, and the widget will reflect those changes. As you can see here, the keyword is data mining, and it is being explored, which subsequently changes the first widget to display a line graph showing the trend of publications with the keyword data mining. If you hover over the line graph, you can get a more detailed view of the publications per year. As you can see, data mining had a lot of interest in the 2010s, but fell off a lot in 2020. If I wanted to look into a keyword like machine learning, I would just type that in here, press submit, and all the widgets in the block updated. Our second widget is the top 10 professors by keyword. We used a pie chart to give the user a good idea of the distribution. And from this graph, we can gather that Michael Littman and Leslie Kalbling would be professors that I might want to contact if I wanted more information on machine learning. After looking at which professors are prevalent in an area of research, maybe you would want to look into universities that are invested in researching the area you are also looking into. From the widget, the top 10 universities all have looked into machine learning, but the distribution shows that Stanford and MIT have looked most into the topic. The next widget is top 10 papers by keyword. This score is calculated by multiplying the publication score and number of citations. This widget might be useful for the user because they might want to read a paper that is the most prevalent. When you scroll down, you'll see there is a keyword search, and this is different from the Keyword Explorer in that it helps the user find whether the keyword they want to research is in the database. Here, data mining is in the keyword search, and as you can see, here are all the keywords that have to do with data mining. But let's say I wanted to change this to machine learning filter, and there it shows all keywords that have machine learning in it. The next widget right here, top 5 keywords over time, shows top 5 keywords for each year over a lot of years. So if you hover over the graph, you can see that there's a keyword, which is processors in this case, and a corresponding year, which is 1985. And you can even zoom in, and as you can see here in 2013, here are the top 5 keywords for 2013, all here. And yeah, so the next widget is a reading list, and you just input the name of the paper and it will add it to the reading list. So let's say I wanted to look into machine learning. I just have to copy that and add it to my reading list, as you can see right here. And you can even click on the paper and ChatGPT will actually formulate a summary of the paper. Takes a little bit, but here you go. Yeah, and if I wanted to delete a paper, here's a paper I had before. If I just press the X, it just deletes it. So going back up, the next widget is a faculty contact widget. So by inputting a word, let's say deep machine learning, and pick a professor, Michael Franklin, their picture and all of their information will pop up. And just by pressing add, their name gets added to a contact list. Lastly, the recommended reading list will give papers based on the highest score. So by changing these fields, I can even give a range of years like this. Sorry. Let's say 2012 to 2015. And I can select the paper and add it to my reading list. And pressing remove from reading list will also remove the reading list. This is all the widgets for our project. And the database techniques we used were indexing, views, and constraints. Thanks for watching.